In 1995, I asked my mother, Phyllis, to teach me something that I would carry with me for the rest of my life. Definitely not a secret family recipe, because Phyllis was many things, but a great cook was not one of them. She taught me how to cut my hair. Fiery, unafraid, relentlessly loving, Phyllis was always more than willing to share her wisdom. And as an expert in her craft, well, she had a lot of it. She gifted me with her professional scissors that day, the same ones that had shaped countless stories and dreams and transformations among all the ladies of paradise. Shortly thereafter, I left home. And in the chilly Dutch autumn of 1995, those scissors became my saving grace, because haircuts were a luxury that I couldn't afford living in Europe on my own. But thanks to Phyllis, I didn't have to. I had tools and knowledge. I fumbled at first, and I definitely hid them underneath a wool cap until spring. But it wasn't just about hair. My mother, a true wordsmith, she once told me that words were her color crayons. And just as she colored her world with beautiful language, she filled mine with invaluable lessons. Yesterday, I watched my mother have lunch with her sisters. Time has been cruel to one of them, stealing her memories one by one. And it made me ponder the fleeting nature of time and how much time I have left with my mom. Phyllis gave me more than a skill that day. She gave me a piece of her history, a piece that reminds me that while things don't last, moments do. My hair hasn't lasted, that's plain to see. But every time I do cut what's left of it, I relive that moment. I relive thinking about all those times growing up, going to mom's shop and getting my hair cut. I definitely relive telling my brother not to go on Friday on an afternoon after she had cut hair all week and she accidentally cut the tip of his ear off. And so here's to Phyllis. Here's to the mothers who teach us, who let us stumble and rise, who leave indelible marks on our hearts. To the moments that outlived the fleeting nature of time. Happy Mother's Day, Mom.